guys, today I'll be teaching you how to make a paper airplane. Okay, let's get started. So first, what you want to do, you'll have a paper like this, just like a printing one. You can do any paper you want. But after that, you have to fold it in half like this. And there you go. That's how you do it. And then you just want to crease it. So, after you're done doing that, you'll see a line right through the middle. And you will have to fold it right through the middle, right here. Yep. Like so. And do it with the other side, same thing. There we go. Sorry, just can't align it. There we go. Okay. That's it. And so you'll see it like this, kind of like a house shape. And after that, you're gonna have to fold it backwards, like this. There we go. And you'll see a line right here. You have to fold it right through that line right here. So, and this one, like so. So you'll have it like this, and you'll see a little thing on the bottom. What you want to do to that is you want to put it up so it can hold your paper. So you put it up, and there we go. You'll have it like that. Next up, you want to hold this, and hold it all the way back, and then it'll be like this. And it's very simple, this part. What you want to do is just fold it backwards until you see the little edge right there. And then fold it, crease it. And then you want to do the same thing to the other side. There you go. And there you go. You'll have it like this. But what you want to do, you'll see this beak right here. You just want to fold it right up. And you'll have it like this. And that's good. And you can fly it, whatever, like that. Just throw it, release it, do anything with it. And hope you guys enjoy. Like and subscribe. Bye.